Hello, assholes! Today is a 52-inch unknown ceiling fan that I got from a teacher that works at Montgomery School for free, and it came out of, he buys houses and fix them up. So, this fucker I have was filthy as a motherfucker. You come into the place with whole glass. I got this and was brand fucking new. It didn't come run bracket, so I had to push the ball on it, down on the ball too. So the fit run bracket I had. And Kip was so big, only one screw could fit there. But it can't be. So, yeah, and then Kim goes to a woman got fucked. So I put these on there. For my hunting is looking better than what was on there. I put these two red balls on there because those are good on there. And I don't know if I said it's got cool balls in it. Two came with the fan and one I added because it came with three, but one was fucked. So yeah, and I turn some off. And the bearings were fucked completely, and they're still all fucked. But at first, motherfucking not spin at all, at all. And you turn it on, it kind of spin. But all day I let one, I kept on spinning right down going over until it got freed up. Now it's just been noisy. And there's a shocking problem the fan had. I opened it, all gone inside this, so I just dried off the petrol and I split a shit of compressed air in there. It really helped. So, that problem's solved. And the fencing I pushed because there's a broken nut, so now it goes high like a medium low near low. Of course, I couldn't get men to recruit. That's right. Man's still fast on road. It's actually kind of a cool meme, actually. So, yeah, it's pretty fast on high. It's a cool film. Cool design. Will is kind of, I'd say it's part of how it came out. Bridge was saggy on high and not. Balls a little bit by end, but turbulence it could blatantly off, so. Try to go 4 of us with wall. Swing on half a couple hours, couple days a week, when on high. Talk to balance, it hasn't fallen. More gets hot though, but it doesn't smell, so guess it's fine. So turn the light off. My light on the turbo is still fucked. So you know, which is stupid. It's got the turbo last motherfucking year, not a year ago. I'm tired of trapheads. You cheap Chinese garbage. Let's go well. Might be a hit burns really acting like a cunt. It smells really good, these gloves. I can imagine what it looked like right now. Those gloves were ugly. These look like these would came with this. These look so good in hand by poles. They look original, but they're not. Oh my, this ain't even hint by fan. What could be about? How we die? Got a nice wood to it. Oh, good my hair. What is? It's an air conditioner light bulb. Join these favorite light bulbs in the whole fucking world. I like them, but I'm sure I do some permanent location to Not really because they get hot, but, you know, you feel heat off them. It's hot in the room. And it, you know, it smells bright. They're kind of yellow, you know. But it doesn't mean I hate them. The more yellow person in the camera. Let's do the medium footage, which, as you can see, means slightly faster. Better than the low profile medium, the low profile rather. It's definitely good distance. It's not much slower than medium. Well, zero to me almost like a cheap acid. It's a good gambler's house speed. If you have a gambler, sometimes it's a little more in love with. You don't like too much. This be good for a gambler's house. If they had quiet bands, of course. If I had a permanent location, I'll probably just be white on it. Because it's not the one where it's not my favorite. Make it too chilly. Yeah, perfect. It looks nice on that speed. I don't know why it just dies. So I might not even try to get the whole thing look like, because I don't mind it. Looks a little slow on camera. Possibly. Go fucking high. With a burning sun. Goes really fast. First number 8. I'm gonna make sure it's cooling the fucking cooling. And you can tell fuckers don't fly. At first, when the bands are so bad, I can't tell the passers bad now, because it's been so slow, because bands can't move. Now it's as fast as motherfuckers. Well, Robert said, but on both run sockets, so it's not gonna kill it. Pussies. Alright. Off. Then don't take too long. Dude, Sprinter's way good for stuff it was for you. Boy, it's stuck pretty quick. You know, then I get the stone high and then road can't start. But, you know, I gotta start off speed, so. Watch me put away for you and get back on it pretty fast. Cause I hold the bottom bearing, but I didn't hold the top one, cause I take the whole fan, put fat, and too fucking greasy fat. But I used the permanent location and, you know, the house somewhere. I would do that. I would, you know, try to fix that top gun. Since I'm not getting a permanent location for it, I don't really see the need to do it. I don't have time for it now. I got other shit going on. Don't want to do. So, my house, and do it the fucking one, okay? So don't go in the comments telling me I need to go to the balance. You need to bridge the balance. Because I don't have to. Alright. So what the noise is just making. It's goes back. Sorry, got the family cooker, I just wanted to fix it. Damn, it's not even going that fast, I would feel it out in the doorway. You were cooking in a fucking... You were cooking in a fucking picture frame hanging on the wall. That probably didn't really make sense. Has been. Yeah, brain suck. Time a meltdown. Well, I open the door, it's sprung different a little bit. Usually does, ain't now. We'll put falling skin on twice. It should do a figure difference. Measure some spots. You can always feel like different. So. Oh, then get the sorry guys. Trying not to die. Alright. Longer type video because I didn't talk about it so. Hey garbage. Quick addition chip balls. Pose. This one is longer, so much, because that's all it does something to it looks better, because if I had the same one as this one, it looks like that, I don't like that, so. Boys, this one, Toto is one. But brackets, blades, chill on top and open the bottom. First switch. The only thing on such as my feet might still get through though, we'll find out. I don't know. Oh, you can't, okay. Huh, that's a big fan. Oh, no, my feet get there too. That's good. Bring back. It's like it's so damn big. Wait a minute. Does it, where it say USA on there? Focus. I can't see it, it's too small. Move. Think it says USA. And once it gets made from USA, that'd be shocking. That's the only tag on there. I thought there was another. I guess not. I'm not gonna keep looking. But there's on the text, but I guess not. And there's a tag on the like it there. It's just waiting all fucked up for me here. Alright. Motherfucker. Let's hit the high. Now I put the low. It's cold. Ain't got the villains keeping on really. Vaccines giving peace out. What the fuck? Vaccines give peace out. Pissy!